share with you how real estate investors make money from off-plan projects like this one. So today I'm right here in Spring City Estate. We're coming up in Umuchibo, Enugu. This particular place is being accessed through the Enugu International Airport. It's less than 10 minutes drive from the Enugu International Airport, and it shares close proximity to Apapa Nike Lake Resort and then to Adoration Ministry. So back to how real estate investors make money from off-plan projects. First is that they identify key real estate projects like this where mass housing estate is coming up, and they buy block of units in that mass housing. This is because they know that as the entry price, the prices are usually low or way beyond the actual price of that particular project at that time. So what did they do? They go in, buy as many units as possible, and then hold it. And as the project is going from DPC stage to lintel stage to roofing to finishing to people living in here, that is how the value of the project will be moving from one stage to another. And that is how they are enjoying return on investment on the investments they made on that particular project. And this process I just explained is exactly how smart investors make money from real estate investment or from off-plan projects. So today I am here to present you one that you can take advantage of. Like I said, this is Spring City Estate, an affordable housing estate that is coming up right here in the city of Enugu, and at the moment is selling at pre-sale prices. It's coming to you at promo prices. So if you want to make money from real estate investments, especially if you don't want to buy land where there are going to be issues of land grabbing and all of that, just come and lock in your money here and watch how fast it's going to skyrocket in few months. Within 6 to 12 months, they are going to deliver these projects. And by that time, the price that you bought these projects today will be a joke to what you are going to be making once this project is completed. Right here, we are going to have the 2-bedroom bungalow, also going to have the 3-bedroom bungalow unit, and we also have plots of land for duplexes right here in Spring City. So for the 2-bedroom semi-detached bungalow unit is going for 32 million naira promo price against 48 million naira. And then the 3-bedroom bungalow units, they are going for 48 million naira against 53 million naira. Then we have the premium option that is going for 65 million naira against 70 million naira. So right here we have the 3 bedrooms standard unit that doesn't come with BQ space. That one is going for 48 million naira. But the ones that comes with BQ spaces are going for 58 million naira and 65 million naira respectively, which is one of the ones I'm standing on right here today. So if you want to make money from real estate, or if you are looking for where you can be coming back to right here in Enugu without having to pay for rent or pay for hotel bills, then you can lock down some units right here. Or if you want a place that you want to be collecting rent from, then you can also buy these units and rent it out and make money from them and be earning steady cash flow from your house. And then if you now want to resell later, this is the best stage for you to buy into this particular unit. So all you need to do right now is to call or WhatsApp the number showing on your screen. Now, let me tell you about the company that is behind this project. It's a Copen group of companies. They are the company that have delivered Jedediah Estate, Eshama Estate, Elim Estate, Goshen Estate, Shalom Estate, and lots more. And even the Graceland Estate. So if you missed out on Graceland, then you should come here and grab as many units for yourself, because you know that these company are the company that delivers. They don't leave their work half done or they don't disappoint. Very soon, The whole of this place is going to be secured right now. The internal road network is going to be done. The electricity, you can see there's already electricity here, will be drawn into these buildings. And by the time all these things are happening, the price of this project must have skyrocketed. So if you want to make money from this project today, all you need to do is to pick up your phone, call our WhatsApp on the number showing on your screen. Let's help you to lock down units right here. These prices comes with flexible payment plan where you can make the down payment of 40% of the actual price and get to spread your balance in 3 months, 6 months, 18 months, and even 24 months. So we have flexible payment plan for you. So all you need to do is to just call or WhatsApp me today. Let's help you to lock down this unit so that by the next time we are coming right here, you will see your building will be among the buildings that will be standing right here. Then at the end of this video, you are going to be seeing the bungalows that have already been erected and what the surrounding looks like and what they are going to look like. You also get to see the 3D plan of these particular buildings, of what they are going to look like. So I'll be expecting. So this is the living room space. You can see it's big enough and sizable. And then we have the ante room. There is a visitor toilet. So this is the first room. With its convenience. There's the wardrobe. The wardrobe section. So this will be the kitchen. From here, it also means the outside. Outside the building. So this is the second room. I love the size of windows for maximum ventilation. It also has its own convenience. And then the final room. Maximum windows. So this particular one is the standard option. It has the what's it called? The boys' quarter space. So let's get to it. This is the standard. Look, the full option. This is the full option. So this is the full option space, and this is the boys' quarter space right here. So all this line, the bungalows that are coming up in this line are the full option space. You're going to have boys' quarter space to themselves, which means you can decide to build your boys' quarter space right behind your house. So every of the houses, the bungalows with the stand full option, yeah, has this boys' quarter space. So you can take a look. There's another bungalow there. The 3-bedroom bungalow standard units that are coming up right here. These ones are going for 58 million naira against 63 million naira. Meanwhile, the ones coming up in the middle, right here, they're still coming up. This one coming up in the middle right here, they are the standard units. The one of 48 million, that is for 3-bedroom. The one of 48 million, they are coming up right in the middle, right? Then the 2-bedroom is the one going for 32 million naira. So this is one of that estate you shouldn't miss out on right now. This place is going to be fully fenced, gated, with electricity. Same company that is developing Graceland, or that has delivered Jedediah Estate, Eshama Estate, Elim Estates, all those beautiful, amazing estates. They are the same company delivering these projects. So if I were you, or if you were me, what you will do is to pick up my phone and dial the number showing on your screen on 081 4704 2804. Let me help you to secure or lock down units of houses right here before their prices skyrocket. Bet me, this is the cheapest you can ever get in Enugu. So I'll be expecting your call.